Hello, good morning students. Today we are going to see section 1 prose. First topic, draft a speech. Draft a speech means speech writing. First of all, we have to know that what is a speech. Speech refers to a formal address or discourse delivered to an audience. Students, question number 4 in question paper, question number 4, section D, speech writing is for 4 marks. So, for 4 marks, we have to write speech writing in 100 or 120 words. Students, a perfect speech must be consist of first one, heading. Heading should be Students, you can go as creative as you want with this one. Just make sure you do not devote too much time on it in the exam. Let's see what or which points we have to remember while writing speech writing in exam. First one, explain your topic in details. Which topic we are going to choose, we have to explain in details. Second, use quotations and proverbs. Third one, focus on main idea. Fourth one, don't try to put too many ideas. Here we have to use exact point. Okay, avoid too many ideas. Next, give relevant example. Students, here we have to explain our points, our thoughts with give relevant examples. In our speech, we have to raise some questions and also give some solutions. Next, use concrete words. And last, write as if you are talking to the audience. Here, we have to imagine that we are talking to the audience. Students, again let's see what we have to remember while writing speech. Explain your topic in details. Use quotations and proverbs. Focus on main idea. Don't try to put too many ideas. Avoid too many ideas. Give relevant examples. Raise questions and give solutions. Use concrete words. And last, write as if you are talking to the audience. Let's see how to write a speech. While writing the speech, here first thing we have to remember that greeting. Here we have to greeting the audience. Example, good morning, hello, etc. Second thing, introduction. Here we have to introduce yourself and also you have to introduce your topic, your speech writing topic. Third one is body of the speech. Students, here we are going to see some points body of the speech. The first point body of the speech is your speech should be of about 100 words. Students, we have to remember that this topic, this writing skill, we are going to write for only 4 marks. That why here we have some limitations of words. Here our speech should be of about 100 words. Second, you should begin it appropriately examples by addressing your principals, teachers, friends, address, etc. Example, honorable principal, respected teachers, and my dear friends, etc. Next one, your introduction must attract the attention of the audience. When you introduce yourself, your topic, it must attract the attention of the audience. Students, here we also have remember one thing more, that what you write should be what you will actually say if you are given the chance. I repeat, what you write should be what you will actually say if you are given the chance. Next one, you have to strictly follow the prescribed word limit in a limited time in a limited time frame, so just do not go writing and writing. Take some pause and think about what you have to actually write. Student, here you have to use important points, here you have to use exact points. Do not go writing and writing. Next one, always begin with your strongest points. And next one, feel free to give your personal opinion in 1 or 2 lines. Students, here you need to explain the current situations, the problems if any, and whether after any corrective actions, betterment in the situation has been observed or not. Students, here you can include advantages or disadvantages depending upon the topic in questions. Students, now here it is important you follow a sequence. It is possible that you have too many points or very few points. When you have a lot of varied points, it is better you choose a few best ones and write a line on each. Most important, always begin with your strongest point. You can accommodate the weaker ones in between and end with another strong point. Next one, do not deviate from the topic. It is very important that you do not deviate from the topic. There are chances you may get ideas linking from one to another that may deviate you from the main point. You have to refrain from doing so. Here, you have do not deviate from the topic. Next topic, solutions or concluding para on current topic. Now, it is to be remembered that wherever you elaborate a problem, you always have to mention the steps being taken to improvise the situation and suggest a few solutions as well. It means we also have raised some problems and also give some solutions. Students, now it would be great if you could add a few quotes relating to motivating the people to take actions. And next topic, end with a thank you. Last but not the least, the concluding line thanking the audience for their cooperation and their patience. It is very important to conclude what you have started. Students, never leave a speech or for that matter any of your answer open-ended. So students, end your speech with a big thank you to the audience. Students, here I am giving you some valuable tips for speech writing. First one, make sure you use language which is suitable for the audience you are addressing to. Next, you have to use quotes. Quotes in the middle of the speech would also be fine. Make sure you write in paragraphs. Next one, practice previous year's question papers. Here we have to read newspapers, editorials or opinions. They give new ideas and opinions that may help during exam. Students, here we have to remember one thing, that plan before you pen. Students, just make a list of all your important points on the rough sheet. Last sheet of your answer book you can use so that you do not forget relevant points while writing. This also helps you in maintaining a sequence which is very important. Students, here presentation is very important. Make sure you double check for grammatical accuracy and spellings, they carry marks. Students, underline the main points is very important, but it is advised to do it after finishing your exam. Use a pencil and scale for underline. Students, let's see one format of speech writing. Students, we can divide its speech writing format in three steps. First one, beginning. Second, main body. And third one, conclusion. So let's start first, beginning. Here we have to remember one thing, that we are going to speech delivering. So we have to welcome one and all. A very warm good morning to the very honorable chief guest, the respected principal, the beloved teachers, and my dear friends. I am ... Here you can put your name, the monitor of class 12th A. It's a great and most significant day for all of us. Today I feel honored to share my views with you about ... Here you can start your topic. Students, in every speech you can use this para for beginning. Let's repeat. A very warm good morning to the very honorable guest, the respected principal, the beloved teachers, and my dear friends. I am ... Put here you can put your name, the monitor of class 12th A. It's a great and most significant day for all of us. Today I feel honored to share my views with you about ... Here you can start your topic. Let's see main body. In main body, we have to start to our topic. Friends, we are celebrating this day in such an excellent manner. Here you can use rhetorical questions. Here you can use some positive negative points. You can use view and counter views. You can use exact points. Also you can use some current points. But also one thing we have to remember in main body, that have to strictly follow the prescribed word limit in a limited time frame. Just do not go writing and writing. While writing main body, feel free to give your personal opinion in 1 or 2 lines. And last one, conclusion. Last but not the least, the concluding line, thanking the audience for their cooperation and their patience. It is very important to conclude what you have started. Never leave a speech, or for that matter, any of your answer open-ended. So your last line have, thank you one and all for your patience hearing. Thank you. So students, today what we learned: speech writing. Speech refers to a formal address or discourse delivered to an audience. Speech writing question in question paper, question number 4, section D. Speech writing is for 4 marks. A perfect speech must be consist of heading. Heading should be catchy. Students, also we saw some points we have to remember while writing a speech. Explain your topic in details. Use quotations and proverbs. Focus on main idea. Don't try to put too many ideas. Give relevant examples. Raise questions and give solutions. Use concrete words. Write as if you are talking to the audience. Also we saw how to write a speech. First one, greeting. Here we have to greeting to audience like good morning, hello. Second, introduction. Here we have to introduce ourselves and also our topic. Third one, body of the speech. In body of the speech, our speech should be of about 100 words. Also should begin it appropriately. Examples by addressing your principal, teachers, friends, etc. Students, your introduction must attract the attention of the audience. What you write should be what you will actually say if you are given the chance. You have to strictly follow the prescribed word limit in a limited time frame, so just do not go writing and writing. Here, always begin with your strongest points. Feel free to give your personal opinion in 1 or 2 lines. Students, here do not deviate from the topic. Next one, solutions or concluding para we have to add. And last but not least, end with a thank you. Students, also we have to saw format of writing skill. In format of writing skill, there are 3 steps. First one, beginning. Here we have to warm welcome to everyone and also introduce your topic and start your topic. Second one, main body. In this main body, you can use view, counter view. You can use positive and negative points. You can use some current points. You can use some facts. Here you can raise some questions and also give some solutions. And last one, conclusion. Thank you one and all for your patience hearing. With this line we can conclude our writing skill. So students, let's see one example for you. Let's see question. Your college has organized an allocation contest on the subject Save Tree, Trees Save. As a part of the World Environment Day, prepare a speech of about 100 words to be delivered on the occasion. I repeat the question. Your college has organized an allocation contest on the subject Save Trees, Trees Save. As a part of the World Environment Day, prepare a speech about 100 words to be delivered on the occasion. Let's start the speech. Honorable judges, respected teachers, and dear friends. World Environment Day is not just about environment. It reminds us of our very precarious existence on the planet Earth. Perhaps even the very existence of planet Earth itself. The all-important question now is, who will save us from this impending calamity? Yes, trees can save us, provided we save the trees. So we say, save trees, trees save. Second paragraph. For the past 200 to 300 years, we have been destroying our forest wantonly, and now we are paying the heavy price for that. Now there is no time to wait and watch. Now is the time to act. Last paragraph. We know the role of trees is keeping the ecological balance. We know how important trees are for the existence of varied life forms. It is not that we are ignorant of these things. It is that we lack the initiative. We think that others will take care of such matters. No, one of us is personally answerable to the coming generations. Every one of us must do our bit to save trees, to save ourselves and our future generations. Let's now say in one voice, save trees, trees save. Thank you. So students, here we can saw speech writing on the topic Save Trees, Trees Save on the occasion of World Environment Day. In this speech, we can use some rhetorical questions, we can use some current situations. Here we can raise some questions and also give some solutions. So in this way we can write speech writing, and you also have to write speech writing for homework. So students, take homework, draft a speech on the topic importance of cleanliness. Thank you.